Let's underwrite an apartment deal together. Important note, this is just napkin numbers. This is your first level of underwriting. Let's say there's 50 units and the property runs on a 50% expense ratio. Current rent is $800 a month average. Pro forma or projected rent after renovation is $1,000 a month. In order to get to this $1,000 per month, you're gonna need to spend $8K per unit average. The micro market of this particular apartment complex, let's just say it's trading at a 7 cap. The current annual gross income from this example property, 50 units, $800 a month, 40K a month, that's $480K a year. Remember, we have a 50% expense ratio, so that gives this property a current net operating income of $240,000 per year. We're gonna take 240K, the net operating income, and we're gonna multiply it by the cap rate that these apartments are trading at, which is 7%, and that gives this thing a value just over $3.4 million. But remember, the units at this property need on average $8,000 per room to get to this value. So we're going to reduce our $3.4 million in change by the $400K needed to renovate the entire property. That gives me a current offer of just over $3 million. If you want to know after renovation value, just take the new monthly rent of $1,000 times the 50 units, spread it across a year, divide it by 2, because remember you have 50% going to expenses. That would be a $300,000 for your new net operating income. Divide that by 0.07 for a 7% cap rate, and your new after renovation value is just under $4.3 million. This is your first level of underwriting to decide if you want to gather more information and evaluate this property further.